Okay. Today on Big Boost channel, we are fixing TJ Hunt's car.
I'm cleaning the inside of the bumper now, all over this thing.
I just want to take a second, if you guys haven't already, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my boy, Big Boost.
Look at this.
Because he's smart and he look good.
Look how good he did this for TJ.
Hello everybody, if you're watching this right now, this is the last video before the open house. Hopefully I'm able to post this tonight, right before the open house. I got the BMW ready. All it needs is a wash and to install my front lip later. That Guardian Rest is gonna bring it over later, so I don't have to go all the way over there. But today there's a lot of preparation to be done, so I'm gonna go through this and show you guys what's happening today. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like to walk into the shop right now. We're doing the final preparations. We got the S15 on this lift, and then we got the Skyline on the other lift. Plus we put all the cool banners from other companies I was working with. We got the cabinets all cleaned up. We got the tools organized, bins organized, crazy car corner, all of them are charged up so we can have fun with them later. Tires stacked over here, tires stacked over there, fuel all in one place, fuel jugs all in one place, and then we're touching up the walls to make sure they're all super clean. Zach's doing a really awesome job with that. You can't barely even tell that it's painted. I never driven the S15, so I'm gonna have Tommy move it because I need to put the Skyline on this side and then the S15 probably over here, because we're gonna have another car on this lift in a little bit. Hey Tommy, I wasn't ready. What are you doing? I didn't say go yet. What are you doing?
It's not on.
But I was gonna film you getting in the car.
No, because that's embarrassing because I'm fat.
Oh my god. Alright, you guys ready for this thing? This thing sounds so safe. Let me go from the back.
We got it. It's dead.
Alright, I managed to get a rig I think real quick to charge up the car so we can start it and get it moved, and then probably let it idle for a little bit so it charge up that little tiny battery again. Oh my god, what is that beautiful sound I'm hearing? That sounds so beautiful. Is that TJ? Yes. Can I have your car? Alright, that sounds beautiful.
You like that?
Better than the S15. I'm sorry. Wait. Whoa. Do it like Puerto Rican style.
Yes.
4-inch exhaust coming out of
So I wanted to do the downpipe out of this, but I didn't know how to make it work. No one's done it with this chassis.
TJ Hunt's this little like lug nuts. I can't even tell which one is what until I test fit Oh, here we go. This is a locking one. You can tell there's oil all over the place. There's also oil just literally dripping right down. Carefully take the Volt T37 wheel off without scratching it. This is all like lubricated, so everything will just slide off. So you can't really scratch it because it's lubricated. Well, this is what we're looking at. Broken or loose oil cooler fitting. I think the fitting on the thread or something from this part to the cooler may have failed, so I'm gonna have to take the cooler off and see what's going on with it. It's time to finalize my two-step, which I didn't cover in the last video. So I'm gonna show you guys what this thing sounds like with a new redefined two-step. Let's go ahead and turn on the car and get it off to temperature before I even start with anything, because right now it's only at 113 degrees. I'll show you, TJ, what a real two-step sounds like. This thing is so hot right now, but it sounds really, really cool. We ended up getting a replacement oil cooler for TJ's car, so I just have to modify the brackets on this to make it bolt on just like the one that he had before. Now, should I use the thin bracket or the thick bracket? I think I'll go with the thick bracket so I have more material so it doesn't bend easier than this. This will work, but I want to go extra beefy just in case. Alright, I got the oil cooler situation situated. So I'm making a little bracket here. So I brought the welder out. That means I'm gonna weld this thing on there to match the old one that was on there before. Always remember, guys, whenever you're welding, use all of your rod. Like, this is all I got left. That's it. Use all of it. There we go. I just brushed off all the excess burnt paint, but I think this is pretty good. Look at that. What do you guys think? Will it hold? And this is what it looks like. I know there might be a couple little pores here and there, but remember, this is not holding fluid in, it's just a bracket to hold the cooler onto the car. And another thing, I know the bracket's not the prettiest, but I don't have a actual working bench. I'm just like trying to work with my loose vise over here, trying to hold it in place without scratching the table. So this is the best I can do it on short notice. Okay.
Today on Big Boost channel, we are fixing Tj Hunt'S car.
I'm cleaning the inside of the bumper and I have oil all over this thing.
I just want to take a second, if you guys haven't already, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my boy, Big Boost.
Look at this.
Because he's smart and he look good.
Look how good he did this for TJ.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't bend it completely straight because I don't have a vise like hold down everything, so kind of like a little crooked.
You show him that bougie.
Is this fitment?
Well, it's gonna fit exactly where the other one was. It should. I measure it like really, really good. The bolt goes from the other.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Oh, here's the other one.
Oh shit! Wait.
Fuck it. Back.
Yeah, measure
Make
it
a mess.
really good.
I can't see the camera. There we go. There we go. A little before and after.
Yeah, put like this with the other side around. So I put these two holes matching with the bracket on the bolts there, and I match this hole
Ooh, I see.
on the corner.
Looks good.
Yeah, so don't air out on your oil lines, guys, or else you'll make your pretty FD dirty.
Look, it's pretty clean in here again. It's just all brown.
Beautiful.
I'm not gonna clean this with brake cleaner because of the paint, but the inside I'm cleaning, so
Yeah, we'll leave that for showing.
wash that like with actual soap.
Oh, Jimmy, check out this wiring in
Looking
here.
all that oil.
Jimmy, check out this wiring.
Now let's see if the cooler that I made fits in the car. It kind of sucks that the Mishimoto logo is like backwards. It kind of like should go here, but the fittings are oriented to the bottom, so it has to go like this instead. Let's try to see if this thing fits. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, I got one bolt in. Now let's see if the other one aligns in the same spot too. Which it should. I don't see why not.
Alberto, your food's in.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. And it fits. Here it is. Bolt on, direct replacement. Fits right where the other one was. And you can see the cool Mishimoto M also, so it matches the radiator now. So it's like this. There you go. Now you can see it. The best part about this oil cooler is that it has the fittings already welded onto the oil cooler instead of like tack like the other one was, and it doesn't have this oil adapter that can come loose as well. So it's just one piece, both are fitting straight to it, so there's nothing else to come loose between both fittings. Last part here is to connect the lines. I'll take this tape that I put on here so I wouldn't get any trash inside the oil cooler. It's so nice when stuff just fits.
So she said.
And this is what you want it to look like. It looks like nothing ever happened here except that there's oil all over the car. I think my front lip is here.
I remember the first time I tried the wrap. With the eBay wrap?
Yep.
How did it come out?
Whoa. Hi. Like a bag of money. What do you think?
Oh my god, it's so shiny. So that's the color that the car is supposed to be? Or the car faded? Or is it just because that's like clean?
It's clean.
Yeah, it's like my car's dirty.
Yeah, your car's really
perfect.
dirty.
I know, I gotta wash it. I haven't had a chance to wash it.
time and take the thing.
Here,
from
you ready? I'll film you taking it. Ready? Thank you for your
Oh
services.
my god, this guy's so stupid. Now it's like open house ready.
Hell yeah. Good. It does look a little darker on camera, but in person it doesn't. Trust me, guys.
You're in the shadow on the camera.
That's a
Oh,
fact.
it's probably right. Let's see. Oh, there you
Is this
go.
where you got it wrapped?
Marvelous.
Marvelous. The flex. Okay, that looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. Yeah. Need some self-tappers.
I just put rivets on it. Ooh. Does it look cool? I can't see from
Ooh.
far away. Though.
Yeah, no, it looks really good. No, that actually looks pretty badass.
I need to get the rivet gun and put it on. I need another LC sticker because I have this one here. So
No, you don't.
another one on
No, you
the
don't.
outside. What do you mean? It looks cool.
Don't look cool. You don't need LZ stickers in your car. Don't represent that guy.
Yeah. I
You
think
always
you're right.
represent LZ, guys. You know.
What the fuck? Who asked you to? Who even asked you to be here?
Alright, stage 1 open house look done. The lip is finally on there. Now it just needs to be cleaned and it will be ready. My engine bay is like super dirty. It's never really like this. Oh my god, not on the coils. Why on the coils? How positive, Jimmy.
You did great. No doubt.
That Garrett ball bearing spool down. Everybody was washing their car, so I decided to wash my car, but the weather is not cooperating, so I decided to wash it anyways, because I don't have any other time to wash it. But it's still raining, so now I have to go home and it's gotta get dirty all over again. At least it was worth the effort, so now it looks like all nice, clean, and wet for the open house. So at least tomorrow I should be able to dry it off, rewash it if anything, and get all the stains and watermark that I'm gonna get on the drive home today. TJ's car is all done. It runs, it's all shine up, showman detailed. The car really good. So it's all nice and shiny. I think it's the cleanest car in here. So RX-7 or Supra. Hope to see everybody tomorrow at the open house. I gotta get home. I gotta get this video edited and hopefully upload it, even if it's late at night. And then tomorrow's gonna be so much fun. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.